couple bitches with some double D. Pop a little champagne and a couple D's. Slip it in a bubbly. We finna have a party. Turn the music, let's get it started. Go ahead, shake it. I'm looking for a girl I can fuck in my Hummer truck. Apple bottom jeans and a big old slut. They got retarded. Some girls about it, body. I want a bitch that sit at the crib with no panties on. Knows that she can, but she won't say no. Look at this lady all in front of me. Sexy as can be. Tonight I want a slut. Would you be mine? Heard she was freaky from a friend of mine. Now I hope you don't get mad at me, but I told Nate he was a freak. He said he wants a slut.